Ay! Pakit nga! Ay! Grabe naman.
There's a little bit of that lack of drive in the genes too. Don't you think, Donnie?
I want cargo with candy. Can you miss you?
I miss you too, Donnie. It's hard to be so far away. I need to visit Australia, don't I?
Please, Candy. Please.
Listen, Donnie. Congratulations.
Ano ka? Bisayang waray.
Have a wonderful
Anong
season.
totoo niya ng Cebuanong waray?
May halong Tagalog.
I don't want you to go.
May halong Ilocano.
Bye, Candy. Bye.
Thanks, Arba. Are you for real?
Julia!
What?
Why are you talking like a spastic child?
Anong sabi ng tukko?
I was just being nice.
It was really rich and you dead soon, so.
Babs, you
Ang sabi ni Bibi?
with the plan. She said, mwah, 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 tonight, good luck. See you. I want to take you so much, baby.
Love mo nga si Mama. Love.